Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your daily energies, Gemini, we are picking few cards. For your relationship, we'll be picking more cards from another deck, guys. So these cards for your daily energies that may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys, Gemini. So these are the cards for your relationship. So it will give us more clarity about your love situation, guys. So let's start with your daily reading, Gemini. It's Four of Swords, Strength in reverse, and Eight of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Gemini, maybe in your circumstance today, things are quite worrying. You are deeply thinking what you need to do next. Maybe you would have done some mistakes regarding some choices in your career, guys. So something is worrying you today, maybe these mistakes, or it may be someone else's mistakes, maybe this person, or it may be someone in your career, your colleague or your teammate. Someone would have made that wrong choice, and that is affecting you, and today you are thinking deeply about your next step, next plan of action, and you feel lost and confused. Maybe for some of you, you have a lot of mental stress, worries, and tiredness today because of that. Or it may be some addictions, or it may even be some minor illness. Guys, something that is upsetting you a lot, guys, Gemini. That is what I see with these cards for your daily energies, guys. You want to take time to think, guys. You want to spend time alone. So maybe this may be the energy in your relationship. Maybe you want to take a break from them, from this person you are in connection with. So let's see what are these cards. What is the energy with these cards, guys? It's King of Earth, Five of Air, and Ten of Air. So in this love, in this connection, you may be facing lot of stressful situations, guys, and your thinking is different, their thinking is different, and you are not able to find that common addition what you need to do today. So with these experiences, whatever you have, maybe some conflicts, stressful situations, you are trying to change yourself, trying to be that authentic person, show them your authentic side. And maybe for some of you, things may go in a positive way, guys. You may find that understanding that you need with this person, because you are a very talented person. You have that a wisdom, deep knowledge about your situation, and you are able to find the right way to bring that understanding. Maybe for some of you it may work, but for some of you, I see that things may not be so good, guys. You may move towards some kind of a separation. So this connection, in this connection, you may take time, take a break maybe, or this connection may end for some of you. But whatever be the case, you have that confidence in your heart faith in your heart, for hope in future. Maybe this may be a temporary break that you're taking from this love. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini, for your daily reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.